Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to view the hidden files and folders and how to hide the files and folders in CentOS Stream 9 using GUI mode and command line mode. So first I have opened the File Explorer. So File Explorer, here you can see that show hidden file is unchecked. I am checking the show hidden files. You can see that after checking the option show hidden files, I can able to see the hidden files and folders. Okay, so hidden files and folders with the will start with the dot symbol. Okay, so basically hidden files and folders will store settings and configuration of applications and Linux operating system. Okay, so it will start with the dot symbol. So now I am going to show you how to create one hidden folder. See here. So I create one hidden folder. Make sure that it start with the dot symbol. Okay, see here I can able to view the hidden folder which I have created now. So once again I'm checking the show hidden files. Okay, so now let me open the terminal and I will show you how to view the hidden folder. So ls command will not show you the all files and folders. So ls-ah will show you all the hidden files and folders. So option A will display all the files and folders. So now I am going to show you how to create a hidden files and directories. So first I am showing how to create one hidden directory using mkdir command. Next I am creating one hidden file using touch command. So make sure that your directory and file name start with the dot symbol, then only it will consider as a hidden file and folder. Okay, see here after giving lsf and I can able to view my newly created hidden file and directory. Okay, to delete this hidden file and directory, ordinary rm command is enough. rm-rf will delete the hidden directory. Simply rm command will delete the file. That's it. So this is the way we can view the hidden files and folders, and we can hide the hidden files and folders in GUI mode and in using Linux commands in CentOS Stream 9 operating system.